Hey everyone, this is my daughter Emma. We're going on a 6.5-hour hike with my sister Jenna, who has a YouTube channel. Go check it out, I'll link it down below. This is the first hike of the year. It's going to be a series on my YouTube channel that I'm going to start. I did it last year, I did like 4 of them. I'll link that all down below. I am using a new edited program, so it's going to take me a while, but I'm hoping to have this video up by Monday, and so you guys can see where we're going.
Also, this is my first ever hike.
This is my daughter's first ever hike. She's never gone on a hike before with us. So we're driving up to Toronto area, but we're going the back way, so it's kind of cool. But we're gonna go on a 6.5-hour hike, and we're gonna take lots of pictures. I got both of my cameras with me, so it's gonna be even awesome. I'm sorry about the scenery, and our landlord's just played cowboy, so that's why my daughter's coughing. But
Okay.
but anyhow, we're gonna be getting going, and yeah. We got snacks and we got water, pretty much everything. But yeah, this is gonna be a new series on my channel, so I hope you like it. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification button if you want to see more videos to come with trails.
Trail
number 1 for this year, for 2022. Okay? Thank you guys. Bye. park, and I'm gonna get my daughter to hang on.
Put it this way.
I'm gonna get my daughter to hang on to the vlog camera, and I'm gonna vlog. We gotta walk down the street a little wise, but 3 kilometers. See? So we're gonna do that, and that's my daughter. That's my sister. So we're gonna do that, and then we'll do some trails. We're gonna have fun. Bye.
Too long. Update. We do have a picture of the map.
Do you have it on record?
Yeah.
How can I move in?
Right here.
Okay, so this is kind of tricky, but yeah, totally fine. If this is funny to you, then you're welcome.
I'm lucky I'm from music over half of this stuff.
Oh, fuck.
This is the mother and daughter and aunt video, with me. So you guys are lucky to have me around. Ooh, there's a river, a really pretty river. There was like a spider leg that was like really creepy, and I hate spiders, but I also used to like them when I was 5. And yeah, oh my god.
Why can't I get in?
If you have any suggestions for doing trails, leave them down below because that would really help.
Third line.
Third line.
Whereabouts are we?
This is the second line.
I think we should follow.
Yeah, we're on the second line.
Okay. Is this the right way?
Yeah, it looks like we are going the right way. It's 1.9 kilometers. Can we get the website up?
Okay, I'm just gonna be walking around and talking to the beautiful view.
The scenery, Emma. That's what they want to see. The river, all of it.
I almost fell.
Okay, we'll get everything.
Mean.
That's what they're gonna look for.
Okay. Oh wait. Oh, so that's where the trail is. I am seriously gonna fall. Okay, we're here.
Emma, would you?
Okay,
No horses.
Oh, come on. No bicycles, of course, because there's stairs. I don't know why you would want to bring a bicycle. But look,
For a second.
horsey. Oh, this. Oh.
Okay, let your mother sit for a minute.
Okay.
This is gonna be really hard. Look.
Look, a tree. Oh, this is perfectly fine for me. Because, you know, I run all the time.
I think this one is one of the most difficult ones to get.
It's true, I do. Look at that big rock. Right over there. I'm gonna climb it and see how it's going. Okay, let's climb the big rock.
Big rock's behind us.
Oh my god, there's a bug.
I got it. Even though Emma's in the shot.
Oh, this is what it looks like. Oh, okay.
Emma, my camera.
Oh, look at that tree. That looks pretty. Yeah. Maybe we should go on a trail where there's actually animals. Fence. Talk to the viewers.
We're probably on the right path.
We are on a path.
We're on a path, but that's what keeps getting us lost. But anyhow, my daughter's is hanging onto the vlog camera today. You'll see me off and on. You'll see her talking, see? And now she's eating all the candy and not leaving any for us. So we don't food, so that when we get lost, that's not good. So I'm just sitting, and I got my other camera with me, and my hand's shaking. Well, there she is, taking a picture.
I don't think this is the right one to start, but it's one.
Yeah, it does look like a little bit of it. But anyhow, here's my daughter back, who's gonna be told to put her stuff away.
Come on, we can find another spot to sit. They should have like benches or whatnot.
We should cut that out.
What's that?
You chewing with your mouth open? You don't.
There's random doors.
I know. Probably to block the.
Anyways, I'm gonna run down this path.
Be careful with the camera.
I will. Look over. Okay, that's.
Emma, move for a minute.
Her doing her little vlogging.
I'm not vlogging.
This is hiking, right? You are supposed to run when you're hiking. There's a random sign. There's people. Oh, there's a circle. How cool. Oh, that's barbed wire or something. How beautiful that is. Very pretty. If you want us to do more trails, we have to hit 10 likes to do more. So if we hit 10 likes, we'll do another one. So yeah. Almost fell. This is not a pretty trail, you know.
Guys,
Well,
cows?
Emma, wait here. We haven't.
there's cows. Good hecking cows.
Move over, Emma.
Looks like there's some trees, mountains.
Hello.
Hello.
It's not a mountain, it's a ski resort.
Move my other lens. This one sucks.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I was trying to take pictures of everything. Not of people, but of everything. Hey everyone, I'm back. My daughter has my other camera. Be careful.
Oh my god, I did something. Oh my god.
What?
Oh, I did something.
My daughter.
And then I pressed something.
Don't press any of these buttons, just this silver button. Okay?
The silver button. Oh.
Like this is beautiful.
Oh my gosh, tap it again.
It's okay. Just don't. My daughter taking a picture. This is so beautiful.
You're recording?
Yes, I am. Say hi, Emma.
Hi.
It's a lot of beautiful scenery around here.
Yeah, it's mostly green.
Yeah.
More focus. Is this supposed to
I'm gonna stop recording. Guys,
There's nowhere for you to go pee
Yeah,
at.
I'll put this in here.
what's that?
Your glasses.
Yeah, I know. You never know. We might see some people we know on this trail.
It's not very popular.
No.
Okay.
Come and see this trail, everybody. If you're watching this, come and see this trail.
It's in Canada.
It's in Ontario. It's in Orangeville, and it's a really nice trail.
We're not even halfway done yet, so we don't know if it's a nice trail yet.
Oh, you can already tell it's nice trail.
Yeah.
Look
There goes my daughter up the hill that I can't even walk up. Yeah, she brought me to hills, but this was my ideal.
Yep. Keep saying that, Joanna. It was.
But she wanted to do a trail again. So this is part 1 of this trail. We'll be doing the other ones soon. Up on a hill right now. This is gonna have to be a 2-day one. Anyhow, turn it back around. Did you get the picture?
Take the people out of your shot.
Yeah, you blur them out.
There's another one.
No, that's the That's beautiful. Look at this, guys. This is a beautiful trail.
Yeah, right. Well, not even in the middle.
Shut up. Me and Emma are trying to take pictures, and she's wanting to get through this trail really fast. Look at all the trees. and my sister taking a picture.
Don't worry, I don't care about you being in it. So how did Janine's first day go again?
Oh, I'm on the freaking camera. Guys, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I just did some Instagram stuff and some TikTok stuff, and I'll be posting that after I'm done this trail. But right now we're going down a hill. I can't really show you because there's somebody in front of us that's doing a hike. So, but I think I can blur him out. So that's the hill, and that's where we're coming from. That's beautiful. Like, look at this. Emma. Emma. I know. Well, look at that. That is.
Emma? I'm not running down the wait.
But yeah, that's where we're coming from. I'm gonna have a lot of footage to put up. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, but we're never gonna get home if we don't at least get through this one.
Yeah, but we can come back anytime, right? Okay, there's people coming. I gotta stop recording. My sister up there, my kid up there, and we gotta go up a hill. And by the way, oh guys, look! Oh, guys, look what I found.
Oh, it's a butterfly. Frick, you scared me, butterfly.
I don't know if I got a freaking video of it.
Oh my god, there's a blue bug that looks like a...
Just go. Yeah.
I just had to blow on the door for a minute. Oh, wait.
You know what?
Okay.
I'm gonna flip this around and tell you something. So I'm gonna tell you a little story about me and Jenna. I did a video about it. We went on a, what was it, a hike, right?
Oh,
In London. No, in Kitchener.
the Huron Natural,
Yeah. It's the Huron Natural.
I don't know if you lost
We went off road, whatever it's called, and she got me lost. So we were going in circles. It's in the video, actually. I'll link that down below. And you can laugh your head off. While we're trying to figure out, get a picture of this, Emma. While we're trying to figure out a way around, she got us lost, trying to get out of there.
It was the bike trail.
Yeah, the bike trail. God knows why we were there, but yeah, but anyhow, that's the story. I'm gonna keep telling that story. Okay, so that's the map.
Side trail, so we should be going there.
Okay,
I just hope.
so we're here. So if we go, let's say that way, because that's the Hockley Road, which we came in on.
Yeah, let's just go that way. Let's just get the fuck out of here, so you know my. No. Oh shit, sorry.
But anyhow, ignore the language. I'm gonna see if I can beep it out.
You can beat it out. I know how to.
And there you go. And we're gonna go this way. We're gonna actually end this, and we're gonna end it with a bang.
Oh my goodness, there's another parking
Oh my God.
on 3rd line.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, and then on Derby Road.
Okay, well we gotta take a picture of it.
We have a map anyways.
So we're gonna go this way, and we're gonna get out of here. So let's go. How do I rate this hike after we're done this? Jenna, how do you rate it?
Hard.
Hard, yeah. You got
Like medium to hard. It's not
yeah.
easy.
It's not easy.
If you're a
Tricky.
beginner, don't
Yeah.
start off. Start off.
If you
Start it off slow. Go to like the small ones. I don't mean to yell. Start off with the small ones. This one has like stairs, really steep stairs. Make sure you have something that's gonna. Sorry, Emma. Make sure you have something like that to help you. But yeah. Then find the easy ones to do first, and then wean yourself into the hard ones.
If you don't do trails more often, I don't recommend this one.
Yeah. But anyhow, there's some more people coming.
Because there's a lot of
If you want to really put yourself to the task, then do this one. But if you don't, then don't do it. But anyhow, we're gonna, yeah, we enjoyed it. We're gonna come back again. We know that there's other parking. This one is this one, and then we're gonna do the other ones.
By the way, this is my first trail, so.
It's my daughter's first trail, and we don't know if she's gonna come on the second one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she will be.
We'll just get her better equipment.
Yeah. And I will only be bringing one camera.
You have a camera.
Oh my god, my sweater came off. Oh.
On my first trail back.
How you say? Hey everyone, so we just walked up this big, huge hill that just like completely, yeah, it's huge. Like, look at it. We're not even finished yet, this trail. But if you're not interested in hills, stay away from this one, okay? But anyhow, we're gonna head out now. Hopefully we came the right way. But if you can hear that, that's the waterfall. Hey everyone, so I don't think this trail ever ends, but this is the 5-hour trail and we found the car that I was looking for, and we're gonna find more, but my face is red, like look at it, because of the sweat, but hopefully we're gonna be able to be okay. But look at it, it's beautiful here. But I recommend it if you like the 5-hour walks. Okay? I'm gonna go. Bye. Yeah, it looks like it. Anyhow, we're almost done. I see some stuff up ahead. This is the 5-hour one. It has to be. There's a 5-hour and 41-minute one where it goes all over.
Yeah, that's it.
This is it? We made it, guys. We did it. And all just by believing in ourselves. And bitching a lot. I think so, yeah. this is where we came from, and this is where we're probably gonna be ending. I am really hopeful, but my face is completely red, so I'm gonna have to dump water on it or something. But yeah, make sure you're really prepared for this one, because there's a lot of hills. It really gave us a workout, but yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a shot of the ground. That's better. And then I can just do this. We're going downhill now, so we're almost there. We're almost to the end because we can hear the cars. But I hope you guys like this video.
There'll be a lot of music at it.
Yeah, a lot of it, because this is a 5-hour hike and I want you guys to see every single thing. I think I took a lot of pictures too, which more likely I'll be able to get pictures from my sister. done the trail. We're heading out. This is the way to get into this trail. I'm going to show you when we come out. There's my daughter sitting on the stone. Emma! Your aunt's hungry. But anyhow, this is how to get out and this is the way in. So I'm gonna do this. So as you can see, that's the way out. This is the way in, way out too. But anyhow, I'm gonna let you go. My camera's about to die. But I'll talk to you guys when I get in the car. Hey everyone, so we're done. We're tired and hungry and cranky, and we're gonna head home and you know, we're gonna go get something to eat first, but then we're gonna head home and then I'm gonna start editing away. Everything that I've gotten today, I'm gonna put music over some of it, but not all of it. So yeah. But anyhow, I want to end it here now. We're gonna do B-roll on the way out, but you park somewhere else and you walk to the freaking trail, which is fine. You'll see that at the beginning of the video, but it's okay. It's worth it. It's 5 hours. Go do it. If you like hills, if you have asthma, yeah, take your puffers and be careful, please.
You said that.
And and that's my daughter. But anyhow, we're gonna head home and